The Magic. Day 22. If Rhonda Byrne can turn her life around before she was, you think you've got it bad. Don't forget your 10 top desires. Today's message is you've got to be thankful and feel that you've already got them. So this is what she did. But before all these desires happened that are like way out and wacky and unreachable, she was $2 million in debt. Mm. So when she created her desire list, her company was $2 million in debt. And it was 2 months, and she was going to be forced to shut it down, and she'd lose her home and everything she owned. She owed a small fortune on credit cards, and she wanted to own a big house overlooking the sea, travel to exotic places, blah, 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 blah. And it was impossible. One of her to-do lists was go to Bora Bora, which is a beautiful part of the world. Doesn't everybody want to go there? So, so she achieved her desire to go to Bora Bora, and it took a stop to pick up some passengers from Tahiti. And all these beautiful Tahitian people got on, and they got one thing in common. They were all so happy and grateful to be alive. Do, 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 do. So she has done everything that she did by doing the daily practice of reading your top 10 desires and feeling it is actually done. And if you do that, to say 3 times a day, or when you get up, when you go to bed, once in the middle, or more, then the magic happens. So I hope you're sprinkling your magic dust on all the food that you're eating, all the drinks that you're drinking. You can still be looking at the photos to heal relationships. You can, I'll tell you what, binge watch these, and you after the third one, you go, wow, I'm in a really good mood. So you've got to write down 10 things you're grateful for today. Look at your list numerous times every single day. Watch the magic happen, and don't forget the magical outcomes. The magical outcomes, because they do come true, because I had one yesterday. And your gratitude rock, take it in your pocket wherever you go. I hope you're as happy as me. Comment below how you're feeling, what you're doing, what your wins are, and I'll see you on the next video.